Do you wish to have hair that is long, strong and super voluminous? Do you see hair falling right in front of your eyes and feel helpless because you can't do anything about it? Have you already invested a huge amount of money over those expensive hair care products and found that nothing works for you? If you are facing any of these issues, then you are at the right place. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can deal with all your hair problems such as hair loss, hair graying, thinning, balding, unhealthy hair with the help of only one ingredient. Introducing all-in-one solution, onion juice for your hair. Onion juice is your one-stop solution. From promoting healthy hair growth to reducing hair loss and breakage, it will tackle all your hair problems. Before moving on to the preparation of onion juice, I'll take a minute or two to explain you how onion juice promotes hair growth. Applying onion juice to your scalp is a great way to boost an antioxidant called enzymes, which is why you see a rapid increase in your hair growth. The sulfur present in onion juice helps nourish strands, which in turn prevent hair loss and promotes hair growth. Since onion juice is a great source of antioxidant, it helps prevent environmental damage. This means that regular massaging of onion juice on your scalp reverses and delays graying of hair. The antibacterial properties of onion juice keeps scalp infections at bay, which ensures a healthy hair growth. Now that we know the benefits of onion juice, let's move on to the preparation. Take 4 to 5 onions, chop them into smaller parts. Now place it into a jar. The next step is to grind the onions. Now our next step is to squeeze the juice out of it. Now that our onion juice is ready, I'll show you how to apply it on the hair. Take a clean cotton ball and a comb. With the help of the comb, part your hair. Now dip the cotton ball in the juice and then gently pat it on your parted hair. Now likewise apply it all over your hair. Make sure to give a nice massage for 5 to 7 minutes so that the juice penetrates deep into the roots. Guys, if you want the instant result, that is you want to stop hair fall within 4 to 7 days, all you have to do is to let this onion juice sit on your hair overnight. When you wake up in the next morning, wash it off with plain water. Make sure you repeat this step for next 4 to 7 days. I bet you're gonna fall in love with this miraculous juice. And I personally feel that this lockdown period is the best time and can be very effectively utilized to take good care of your hair. I can't wait for you guys to try out this miraculous product and share the results. Go, hurry up, rush into your kitchen and grab few onions and squeeze that miraculous juice out of it right now, and don't forget to update me with the results after 7 days. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you loved this. If you are facing any issue related to skin or hair and you want me to come up with a DIY solution, then do let me know in the comment section down below. Until next time we meet, take care.